Yes, Augie, all you have to do is send us your name, address, and telephone number to Family Feud Contestant, PO Box 1554, Quezon City Central Post Office, near Road Diliman 1155, Quezon City. And we could see you right here on Family Feud. Back to you, Augie.
Thank you very much, Jeff. Tawagin na natin si Alves at si Jen. Kamayan po ba yung dalawa? Alright. Nag-survey kami na 100 tao on the top 6 answer on the board. Here's your question. Magbigay ng isang uri ng contest o paligsahan. Yes, Jen.
Basketball.
Basketball. Nandiyan ang basketball. Wala ang basketball. Yes, Al.
Palo Sebo.
Palo Sebo. Survey says. Wala. Tanungin natin si Merlin.
Sayawan.
Stay here. Ano po ulit yun?
Sayawan.
Sayawan dancing contest. Kumbaga, sayawan dancing. Yes. Pwede pang talunin ni Lani.
Game show.
Game show. Game show daw. Game show. Okay. Mr. Alves, we're gonna pass to the plane.
Play.
They're gonna play. Thank you very much. Magbigay ng isang uri ng contest o paligsahan, Mr.
Carrera.
Carrera. Carrera, nandiyan ba ang carrera? Wala ang carrera. Strike one. Alan.
Singing contest.
Singing contest. Is that a good answer?
Good answer.
It's a good answer. Singing contest. Yan ang talagang kinagigiliwan ng mga noisy. Alves.
Track and field.
Track and field. Yan yung tumatakbo, di ba? Okay.
Good answer.
Track and field. Ayan, good answer pa rin. Lani, strike 2 na kayo. Chance to steal for the Sobremonte. Give me a what? Good answer.
Good answer.
Okay.
Song eats.
Tong is. Paligsahan ang tong is. Ibang klase yan, ha? Good answer pa rin. Tong is. Tandaan, tong is. Paligsahan, tong is. Kathy.
Beauty contest.
Beauty contest, Marilyn.
Beauty contest.
Beauty contest, Jen.
Beauty contest.
Beauty contest.
Beauty contest.
Beauty contest. I like that answer. Beauty contest. Dahil dyan nadali ako eh. Sa beauty contest. Okay. Beauty contest daw. Pag wala dyan ang beauty contest, Vasquez family will get those points. Beauty contest, show me. Very good. Show me the other answers. Number 5. Quiz B, pangalim po. Spelling contest. Baskets, wala pa pong puntos. Hanggang ngayon, puntes tuloy. Sobremonte, 100 points.